we are on the Wild Stallion mountain coaster here in Sevierville, Tennessee. I guess I can let go of this. All right, center this up. This is, according to the sign, the longest mountain coaster in the Southeast, which is an odd record to claim, but it's a record to claim nonetheless. Very pretty off here. The Dave and Buster's down there. We're not quite in the main part of the Smokies yet. Hello. This is like the first attraction I've done down here on my trip. So, you know, this is cool. Man, like, hope my stuff is good in my pockets on this one. I didn't think to. Nice up here. I've never been up here before. This is my first time ever doing this specific mountain coaster. Alrighty, we are now at the top. And we are heading down. Oh, a little bit of braking. All right. Woo! Does one have two lift hills? I might ride it so long. All right. Woo! Sweet. Wow, I'm going fast. All right. Woo! Haha. Woo! How's it go? This ain't goats on the roof. Woo! 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 Oh, wow. Wow, this one's fast. Brakes ain't doing much. Woo! Wow. All right. Woo! Oh, a little bit of air time. Woo! Haha. All right. Okay. It brakes for us. All right. Now we go back up. That's super interesting. Sorry if the camera's a little jerky. I am holding it out with one hand. You're probably gonna see my feet too, because I'm wearing flip-flops today. So if I'm wearing flip-flops in these videos, it's probably because I'm using the same, I'm filming on the same day. Use my knee as rest here. So I'm impressed by this one. This one's like really interesting. And like these lift hills are steep. Like this one gets a little bit steeper up here in a second. But I don't know the stats on this one. But I am super impressed. I can't wait till the one in West Virginia opens. Hopefully it'll be good. I think it's being made by the same manufacturer who did this one. So that'll be good to know. Should I like scream to freak these people out a little bit on my descent off the hill? I might just. Well, we're now at the top. So here we descend. Hopefully I can run as fast as I can. Let's roll. Woo! Picking up speed again. All right. Woo! Them trim brakes aren't doing much on this one. Oh, we got like trick track. Woo, woo, woo. Oh, we can adventure over this way now. All right. Woo. All right. Woo. Off the hill. Nice. Okay, this one's a little bit shorter. Woo! Oh, we got one more helix. All right. Here we go. Woo! I'll have to slow down a little bit so the guy down here slowing down. All right. Wild Stallion. Definitely a wild ride. Hope you like this one. I'll be posting more mountain coaster and theme park related content. I post about every 2 weeks, and I will see you at the next one. Thrill stop out.